If you watching this video means you want to learn something. So you are watching the right video. You need to do one more thing. Keep watching this video till the end. And I'm damn sure you will get something from here. If you are new onto our channel, so please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates first. And be the first person to watch our latest video. Why all the companies moving towards technology sector post-COVID? This is the big question for everyone. And how could it help to grow their business, and in which field huge demand for IT sector? Let's look first why. Post-COVID, huge revolution came into the IT sector, where almost every company getting switched to digital business, where no need to interact accompanied people physically, because COVID did people digital transform. People get habitual to place order in one click and get it their home without physical going anywhere. And school and institutional close to physical interaction in this sector also got transferred people to tech sector, where education sector transform fully online and children can continue their education through online. Everyone aware about it, and if they want to transfer digital sector, they need to build their own application online platform, where huge demand came in IT sector post COVID. Let's know now which sector had a huge demand to IT sector post COVID. Every business have shifted towards digital sector, where they build their own application, website, etc. And they started to promote their business through online marketing, digital marketing, online ads, and promotion also. E-commerce business is the first, where a large number of the business have transformed towards digital platform and promote their business also through online. Grocery business, by one click, everyone can place order and get it within the 10 minutes. It is very huge number of demanding business, where everyone wanted to their grocery items in their home with one click. They just have to feed their data and they get the all grocery their home within the 10 minutes. Online grocery demand grows suddenly and people avoid to visit at store due to COVID. Lots of new ideas come in the market and got good seed and funding. Education business. Due to COVID, children could not take any classes because schools were closed. One revolution came in this sector also, where multiple online coaching classes started to provide to students, and huge number of students engage with this platform because it is easy to interact with the people and get the education. Health business. People avoid to visit hospital for mild disease because a lots of online platform has been started to provide consultant, and through one click consultant come at your home and to collect tests and sample and provide a report as well on online. Consultancy business. This business got huge hike because everyone providing a consultancy through the online and provide their service through online. So these things are the very huge number. Just because of that the IT sector grow, and post COVID the IT sector got huge demand in their sector. Hope this video is helpful for you and hope you got something from here. If this video is helpful anyway, so please like our video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates, and share with your colleague. Thanks for watching.